Most homeowners are looking to reduce their energy bills. We have a few that are looking for other reasons, could be environmental reasons. So it's probably a mixture. So they're looking at saving the energy plus doing the right thing by the environment. And the homeowners want to feel assured that they're doing the right thing. They like to see that we've actually done it design. Someone's actually come and had a look at what they're going to install on their roof, paid a bit of attention. It's not just some call centre that's slapped a few panels on your roof on Google and Maps and sent you a quote. We're actually spending time and going through and designing and looking at the house as a whole, and is there any other suggestions, helping them with have a look at their energy bill, see if we can make some recommendations on their tariffs or see if we can save them some money there. So we try and do the right thing by the customer, and I think it pays off. We spend time with the customer and look into their system as a whole, look at their individual circumstances to make recommendations which could help in their energy consumption. So we're trying to achieve an energy efficient outcome for our customers. We look at the house as a whole and offer our recommendation just to try and minimise the customer's energy usage. We can make suggestions on their usage and try and help them minimise.